I bet you haven't tasted a delicious soup like this yet, so you should make it because it's truly a delight. The first thing to do is to peel and thinly slice the onions. I'm using copper onions, but you can also use white ones. So let's do it like this. Let's cry a little, but it's worth it. And here we go. In a pan, add a drizzle of oil and a small piece of butter and let it melt. Once the butter has melted, we add the onions and let them soften. The onions have softened and now we add some flour. Let it absorb, then deglaze with some white wine. Let the alcohol evaporate. Once the alcohol has evaporated, add salt. Enjoy your meal and add some vegetable or meat broth, whichever you have available. And here it is. If you like, you can also add a pinch of chili pepper. All right, now let's cover with the lid and let it cook. From time to time, check on it, and if needed, add a bit more broth in case it dries out too much. And here it is. After 40 minutes of cooking, the onions are ready, soft, delicate, and beautiful. Let's turn off the heat, and now all that's left is to finish preparing the dish. Here I have prepared some Emmental cheese, but if you want, you can use Gruyere or any type of cheese you like. And I also made some bread croutons. Let's pour the onion mixture into a baking dish. See how soft it is? That's how it should be. I put some bread croutons on top, and then the cheese is grated with a large hole grater over the surface. Like this, a bit of pepper. And all that's left is to put it in the oven on grill mode to brown this delight and create a delicious, beautiful, and fragrant crust. The onion soup is ready to be enjoyed. I baked it for 5 minutes on grill mode. As I mentioned before, now all that's left is to enjoy this wonder. Thank you, it's delicious. And with this delicious taste, I'll see you at the next recipe and send everyone a big hug. Thank you.